This will be your new favorite casserole. The pasta, the chicken, the pink sauce, and the melted cheese. Everyone will ask you for the recipe. It's very delicious, yet it's very easy to make. Start by putting 1 bag of pasta in hot boiling water. The water is salted. Mix the pasta like this so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Cook it until it's al dente so it will continue the cooking process in the oven. And don't forget to save the pasta water for later. Now we will cook 500 grams of chicken breast in a hot pan. I always put some olive oil, black pepper and vinegar on the chicken before cooking. Cook the chicken on high heat with some oil until it takes this color, then put 5 crushed garlic cloves. Make sure you fry the garlic with the chicken, then add 1 can of mushroom. Wash the mushroom very well to avoid any taste from the can. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix all the ingredients very well and make sure you fry the tomato paste on medium heat. It will taste better. Now add 2 cups of cooking cream. Mix it very well with the other ingredients while on medium heat. Now the pasta is ready and drained from the water. The pasta water will be used to reduce the thickness of the sauce. Add 2 cups of pasta water and mix all the ingredients very well. I will add 1 cube of chicken broth, it's optional. Let it boil for a few minutes on medium heat and I will add some parsley, it's optional. But it will add an amazing taste to the sauce. Remember, don't boil it for a very long time. You don't want it thick, just for a few minutes until you reach this thickness. And if you find it thick, add some water to reduce the thickness. Now put the boiled pasta in an oven tray. Add the hot creamy sauce over the pasta. And mix all the ingredients together. Don't forget to taste the pasta at this step and add any salt if you want. For the final step, put some mozzarella cheese on the top or any type of cheese you want. Now let's put it in the oven in a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius. In the middle rack, the heat from the bottom for 10 minutes, then broil it from the top. Now it's ready to be served. It looks very appetizing and yummy. This is a perfect combination of melted cheese, pink sauce, pasta, chicken, and mushroom. I can't wait for your feedbacks when you try it. I'm sure you will love it and everyone will ask you for the recipe. But remember, don't put it for a long time in the oven. You don't want it to be thick and dry. You want it to be creamy like this. Try it and let me know your opinion. See you in the next video. صحتين هنا.